How many of you use any sort of social media platforms? I'm guessing over 95% of you use it. And how many of you are any sort of creators or entrepreneurs? Could be anyone, whether you sell necklaces, dresses, paintings, services, or whether just creator on various platforms over the internet. If you are any of them that I've mentioned right now, whether creator or seller, you will probably relate to what I'm going to say in this video at some level. I'm pretty certain that many of you have thought to yourself that why don't people share your content but share the screenshot of the Drake's new release that he posted yesterday. From the bottom, now we're here. Yeah, now you are getting me. I find myself thinking the same way, and it actually took me some time to realize why don't people, including your friends, don't like to promote your stuff over the internet. Here is what I think the reasons are. I cannot say this in any less hurtful way, but if you are wondering why don't people like to promote your work over the socials, is because your work just might be average and needs a lot of work before people like to spread a word for you. You need to create quality content in order to impress people so that their impulse reaction whenever they see your work is to share with everyone so that you can get the exposure you deserve. So maybe go reanalyze your content and see the areas where you can improve. After all, we are competing with millions of creators and entrepreneurs all around the world. I know it sounds like a very weird reason for a lot of people, but it is actually true. A lot of people don't like to share your work or someone's work because it doesn't match their aesthetic that they have created. For instance, I make film related videos for my channel a lot of the time, and none of my friends really tend to share my work, which I totally understand because they don't necessarily have an audience for film lovers, neither they are film lovers themselves, so I don't really force them to share my work. They do not really run a film account, so sharing my stuff wouldn't do any good because it won't bring me any audience. Imagine me giving a shout out to a food outlet that just opened near my house. What's the use of me giving the food outlet a shout out because none of you live around there, so that wouldn't bring any customers to it. I hope you are getting what I'm trying to say. PS, also there are some people who simply wouldn't share your work because it would ruin their social media aesthetic and they know that it would bring you audience. That's what we call a bitch move. If people know that you are not serious about your craft and don't put consistent hard work in it, they don't think that you really deserve that shout out or the promotion. Because what's the shout out gonna do if you have a habit of creating just one video and disappearing for 2 months? If you have put hard work into something, it clearly shows. You can't just fool your audience into thinking that you put hard work into your 15-second Instagram reel where you just danced it off. Shut up. People tend to share only those stuff that gets them compliment or make them look a little bit cooler. Just think about it. Whenever you go on a vacation, you tend to share your view from the hotel. But do you really share your view from the bedroom on daily basis? Nope. Same wise, look at the photo of these two dogs. Which one would you rather post a picture with? The left one. Why? Because it would get you compliments, right? You're goddamn right. Everyone loves getting compliments. That's what separates us from other species, to be honest. Humans love to be appreciated. You send a meme to a group chat because people laughing at a meme that you send brings some sort of appreciation towards you. People think you are funny for sending that meme. That's how this shit works. So it's simple. People don't really share your work or product because it might not get them compliment. It's that simple. Talking about fishing for compliments, people would really congratulate you on your story once you reach a big milestone, talking about that I knew this guy when he was in 100 subs, now he has 100k subs. Like, look at that way. I've talked about shows like Friends and The Office because they are more mainstream. There are thousands of shows I could have talked about, but I don't think they would have bought me the audience that I have got from it. People talk about and share things that are mainstream because it makes them fit into a social circle that we have created. Some people will not share your work straight out of jealousy. I don't have any reason to defend this argument. And you probably know a certain someone too. They can't take any competitions. Period. That's it for today, fellas. If you are not one of those mean narcissistic people, then like and comment. And if you're new, just subscribe and help a creator out. It takes really $0 to help a creator. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye.